Apple cider vinegar is useful both in the kitchen and when it comes to your overall health due to the great benefits it has for your skin, hair, and more. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties guarantee impressive results for skin rejuvenation, capillary problems and treatment, plus the overall health of your skin, nails, and teeth. It can also be used to lose weight, fight swelling, combat natural oxidation, protect your liver, aid in digestion, and strengthen your joints. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your own apple cider vinegar at home with an easy, cheap recipe. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Ingredients: 5 liters of mineral water, 1.5 kilos of apples, ideally organic Fuji apples, 1 kilo of brown sugar. The sugar is necessary to feed the bacteria, but most, if not all, of the sugar is fermented out. Instructions. First, all of this must be done with the best hygiene. Any error that you make could ruin it all. Wash the apples very well and cut them up in little pieces with peel and seeds. Mix the chopped apples with the other ingredients in the blender. Pour the mixture in a bucket that will hold more than 5 liters and cover it. For the next 10 days, stir the mixture with a wooden spoon once a day. Next, stir it every other day for the next 10 days. Lastly, let it sit for 10 days and then strain it. Store the liquid in glass or plastic bottles, but don't close them completely because the vinegar still needs to ferment.